Hello, and welcome to QuickPFA online video tutorials. Today's tutorial is going to be on how to log in using the username and password you received in your welcome email, how to create a quote, and how to send that quote off for funding. So the first letter of your first name and your last name would be your username and password. Log in. That'll bring you to your home page, and go ahead and click the Finance a Policy button to bring up the quote wizard. Here, enter the necessary information to create the premium finance agreement, the program, QuickPFA Standard, or QuickPFA under $1,000 if the premium is under $1,000, the name on the quote, loan commission percentage is your compensation percentage. This will raise the APR and in turn the payment amount. And then select the state and go ahead and click Next. And enter a policy number here if you have one. The coverage type, of course, you can type it in, bring it up. The premium amount. The minimum earned premium, which for this program the minimum is at least 10%. So if there are any earned fees or taxes, if there are any finance taxes or fees here, go ahead and put the carrier in. And the general agent. Who to fund is who the fund should be sent to, general agent in this case. And down here a space for if there's second and third policy, if there are some. Go ahead and click Next. This will bring up a verification calculation totals page where you can check all the numbers information that you've entered in thus far. It'll also have the amount financed, the effective APR, the finance charge, and the number of payments. When the first payment is due as well as here. You can request an exception here if you want an APR that's not that lower than the amount that's here, or if you have any other exceptions, you can click this button and this will allow you to send a message to someone within our system who will have a look at your exception. You can also hit previous to go back and edit or change any information that you might need to. Once you've verified everything, go ahead and click Next. This will bring up the last page to add any additional information you might need. First and last name, a telephone number, an email address if you have one, and a standard address. Once you have everything here, click Next. That finishes the process and will populate your PFA right here so you can verify it one last time as the actual PDF. See, you have all your information here. Scroll down to verify anything else you might need. Here you can print it or save it as a PDF on your machine anywhere so then you can print it out and get it signed. Once satisfied, go ahead and exit out of that. And again, you can view it again here if you need to or edit it. Close out of this window, and if you click the Get My Tasks button, this will upload all the current tasks, and you can see Test Person is the PDF we just created right here. So once you print it off and have the signed document, you would click this button, browse for it on your machine, open it up, save it here, and that would start it on the funding process, and you would receive an email immediately letting you know of that. That will finish up that process. And one more tidbit of information is right here. This wrench and screwdriver button is a setup button. If you click that and this one as well, these are both the same thing. This will bring up a place where you can add general agents and carriers and edit people at your agency. This completes this tutorial for today. Thank you so much for listening and have a great day.